What you'll get out of this course, you'll understand how to come up with a trading strategy. If you're a Python developer, you can follow along with our codes and you can use our financial analysis class to view the performance of your own custom trading strategy. You will understand how to perform financial analysis. You will understand how the trend following strategy works. And that's our main aim in this course, for us to make you understand how this strategy works. So you can either trade it manually, or if you're using our fully automated bots that will be available on tradingkenya.com, you can understand how the robot will place trades and exit trades. You will understand the impact of trading costs, which is very important for trading. You will also have full access to all materials used in this course. You can download the fully automated robot from tradingkenya.com. Let's look at the course outline. Firstly, we are going to look at the trading strategy explanation in visual mode. Here I'll be explaining to you how the trading strategy works, what are the calculations and everything involved in a trading strategy. Next, we're going to look at how to download all of the resources in this course. Thirdly, we are going to be downloading historical data from MT5. Next, we're going to be looking at the financial analysis. Next, we're going to be looking at the analysis review and the trading performance of our trading strategy. Next, we're going to look at how to install and trade with the ready-made bots from tradingkenya.com. And then we're going to look at what to do next, which I wouldn't say now. It's a surprise for you guys, and you guys will have to see that at the end of this course. So a little bit of disclaimer here. This is not a make money quick scheme strategy. This is not a trading strategy that's going to make you $1 million overnight. So if you're here and you think that is what this strategy is all about, then this course isn't for you. This is also not 100% profit only strategy. Some of us actually have this concept that a Forex robot shouldn't make losses, or there's a Forex robot out there that doesn't make losses. Maybe that's possible, but this isn't the Forex robot that does that. Okay, so it's not 100% profit only strategy. It will make losses. It will go into drawdowns. Are you going to see that when we're performing the financial analysis in this course? Next, trading is risky. It is very risky, and you should be fully aware of what you're doing. And that is why we are going to provide you with the financial analysis and explain to you how you can trade with our strategy. Next, be risk aware. Most of us have this conception of, high risk, high return. Well, that's not in trading, because when you do that, you're gambling. So you should be risk aware, because that's what you can actually only control, your risk in trading.